What I wish I knew at 12 instead of 22. Ghost fishing is a hidden danger lurking in our oceans. Ghost fishing isn't about spooky ghosts. It's when abandoned fishing gear, like nets and traps, continues to catch fish, crabs, and even turtles. These ghost nets drift through the ocean, snaring marine life and causing untold damage. Imagine you're a fish swimming peacefully, then suddenly, you're stuck in an old net. That's what these animals face daily. They suffer, they starve, and they die. Ghost fishing gear doesn't just disappear. It can last for decades, killing relentlessly. It's like having an eternal predator in the sea. But there's hope. We can tackle ghost fishing by supporting sustainable fishing practices and pushing for better gear disposal methods. We need to spread the word and help clean up our oceans. Together, we can save marine life from this invisible threat. Let's act now before it's too late. Remember, the ocean's health is our health too. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others. And write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.